Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you a method. By using that method you can easily add drop down boxes in Google Sheet. For that purpose what you need to do is to just select the range of the cell where you want to add drop down boxes. Let's suppose I am going to select these cells and then I have to click on insert button and then I have to click on drop down option. Now you will see another option over here on the right side of the Google Sheet, and here you have to select the color of the option 1. Let's suppose I am going to select the green color and then I have to write the option 1. Then you have to select the second option. For that purpose I am going to select another color and here I have to write the second option. Then I have to click on the done option. You will see the drop down option over here. When I will click over here, you will see that the option has been selected. For more such kind of video, please subscribe my YouTube channel.